Guys, it's the next day, and I gotta end the vlog yesterday, but I'm in Paris now, as you can see. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and be prepared for tomorrow's vlog. And yeah, it's gonna be a good one. I'm not gonna be doing anything though for the rest of the day, but just editing today's vlog, and I was like, oh, didn't end it, so here it is. See you. Stop it. See you tomorrow.